Okay, 2 screwdriver work at the same time. 2 screwdrivers do the screw assembly at the same time, so the efficiency can be doubled. Yeah, do the screw assembly on the socket. Okay, so this is the software homepage. 调英语的。This is the coordinates for the machine X, Y, Z coordinates. X, Y, Z. And here is the torque. Torque for number screwdriver 1 and number screwdriver 2. Here is 2 stations, station A and B. And here is the other parameter setting. Here is the keyboard and mouse for adjust the parameters. And at the back, there are 2 auto feeder to blow out the screw weld tube to the nozzle directly. Okay, so the machine with the upper and under frame to move easily, and equip the safety light curtains to protect the operator handle.